Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the Realme GT Neo 2 for about 25,499 rupees with order proof ID. Yes friends, right now I'm going to show you the with proof how you can actually get it for about 25,499 rupees only. So I'm getting a lot of requests as well regarding this video because they're actually planning to buy the Realme GT Neo 2, but they want to know whether the offer is actually applicable to get it as low as 25,499 or not. So that's what I'm going to show you friends with proof of the order of the Realme GT Neo 2 I'm going to show you. And first thing is that the Realme GT Neo 2, if you want to get this kind of low price, you must have the SBI credit card only. Even if you have any other bank card, doesn't matter, only SBI credit card is possible to get this kind of 25,499 rupees discount without even any kind of exchange. I'm not including any exchange offer, only SBI credit card. So there has been list of terms and conditions which has been given. As you can see, this phone Realme GT Neo 2 actually applicable for each and every offer and eligible to get all the discount. Yes, because the first two conditions are only 5,000 rupees, which is a credit card and credit card, as you can see, and third also using only credit card. So this means you should have the SBI credit card only. And third option which says 30,000 above, obviously the price of this phone is 30,000 above, even this condition is also satisfied. So you'll be getting instant 1,500 discount also. Now I'll try to show you the proof of the order. So as you can see friends, this is exactly the proof of the order where you can actually see the money has been detected, how it's got discounted, 750 rupees, and this is order screenshot which has been sent by one of my subscribers. So that's why I was able to get to know that offer was able to exactly applicable for the SBI credit card. So you can see 750 has been instant discount applied. And even the additional 3,000 is also applied for the debit and credit card, and 1,500 off is also applied for the 3,000 rupees above, and 1,250 is also applied for the 10% instant discount. As you can clearly see friends, total discount will be about 6,500 rupees only using the SBI credit card only. In that way you'll be able to get this kind of discount friends, otherwise you won't be able to get this kind of huge discount. So this is only available for the first sale itself for the Realme GT Neo 2, that you should definitely understand. In the next sale, this promotion, this much of huge promotion will not be there, so which we cannot guarantee. But right now these are huge discounts, 6,500 rupees off. That's a very huge discount for the Snapdragon 870 chipset. And if you use the exchange offer, you'll be getting additional 1,000 rupees off. If you use any kind of a phone to exchange, that's also option is available. But in this way, you'll be able to get the phone for about 25,499, 100% guaranteed if you have the only SBI credit card. So I did show you the proof. So right now we got to know the exact method. And that's it friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video and straight of more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.